My name is Arron Garcia. I am the Ideal Studio Operations Manager. Before I came to Ideal, I was doing some youth work in Atlantic City, and I had the privilege of meeting Ren in the journey of that, trying to get a studio started and branch out what actually at the time was Ideal Studio. It just happened that I had the opportunity to fulfill a need for Ideal for their Ideal Studio Manager position a few years back. And when I came, me and Ren and Mr. Green were trying to figure out the curriculum for Ideal Studio, and it was a journey, and we landed on music entrepreneurship, and we were able to create impact in young creatives' lives, and able to bring music and sound and experience to the county. I do what's called creative economic development, which is a concept more so than it's anything specific. But I guess I say it like this. I've been doing music since I was very young, at least on the production side. And there's a lot of youth like me. I meet them every day. And I just remember going through the school system and going through the college admission process, trying to find exactly what it is that I wanted to do, not what would work for me in today's economy, not what will work for me for my career, but what I wanted to do as my career pathway, which was music production at that time. And it was very hard. It was very hard. There was a lot of people telling me that this wasn't a good career, that it wouldn't amount to anything, that there wasn't any education sources out there. So I think that sparked something in me at a very young age to say, I want to work in making this a career pathway for people, access to education in this career pathway. And so that's why at Ideal, that sort of transfers over to us having live music industry experts always feeding in and consulting, not just with us, but with students in real time as well, and providing access to economic opportunities and education as well. Every year is going to look different for Ideal Studio because we're always going to have different students. And I think opening up what we're trying to do inside Ideal Studio to our Ideal campus as a whole, and accessing those who are a part of IT, who still have those creative backgrounds, accessing those who are part of film, and accessing those who are part of construction, but they're still creatives. I think that that's where we're going to see the most impact happen in this area from Ideal Studio.